Hello, everyone. My name is Linda Gunda. I am the CEO, Master Certified Wedding Planner and Florist. Linda's Perfection Creation is an event planning and a wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the city of Philadelphia. We do New York, Delaware, New Jersey. So pretty much anywhere that need planning, we go to that location. So today is a really exciting day for me. As I said, I've been doing this video for some time now, and I continue to do it for a year, which is what my goal, my target goal is. I'm gonna do that. But today, I just wanted to take the time to talk to you about accomplishment. And when I started this video, I started to help DIY brides, but then I understand there's a lot of information and knowledge that I can share with people. Some of my challenges that I face, some of the experiences that I made, and what got me to where I am. Because in life, there's always a beginning stage, a middle stage, an end, and then you move forward. Today's, as I said, today's a really exciting day for me, so I'm going to show you guys. So there you go. So I after some hard work, I signed up for a 12 weeks program with the City of Philadelphia. It's a peer mentoring program for business owner where you can learn and establish your business and give your business growth over the years. And it was a 12-week program. I told myself, well, I don't think I'm going to do it because with challenges that I have with business, I'm constantly busy and I'm wearing so many hats. But I just want to say that I can probably say today that I did it, and one thing that I learned from this program that one, I met some great business owner that works in the city, and two is that it broadened my reach. Sometimes in life, we as people we have a goal, and at times we limit ourselves. We limit. We feel like, well, maybe I cannot reach to that level. And maybe I should start small before I get to where I need to do. Yes, in certain circumstances, it's okay to start with humble beginnings and start smaller until you start to expand. But once you pass that small location, dream for the mountain, reach for the skies, because what that does for you is that it opens you avenue. It opens you opportunity. So what I learned from this program is that I shouldn't limit myself. I am a very great businesswoman. I am an amazing planner. I am amazing flower. Yes, I'm going to toot my own horn today. I have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge that I can give to people, that I can give to my business. So I'm not going to limit myself to say, okay, well, maybe I'm going to wait 5 years to accomplish this goal. Why am I waiting that long? I have to start today. The same leap of faith that I took years ago to start my business, not knowing how it would pan out, not knowing much about the industry, just my skills that I have. But all the time, I educated myself. I keep pushing. I learn more about my business, and that's some of the reason why businesses fails. There's a lot of statistics that said within the first 1 year, a lot of businesses didn't make it, and then 3 years, and then 10 years. But honestly, the reason why I truly believe that business will, one, they don't know how to manage the financial. Two, they didn't have a proper plan in place. Three, they took on more than they could chew at one point. And most important, they didn't have the right tools and knowledge that they needed to grow their business. Now, don't get me wrong. Yes, I am all for people getting a higher education. Yes, I am a college grad and I understand, but not everybody's want to go to college. You don't have to go to college to start your business. If you are starting a trade business, all I'm saying to you is that whatever business you start, learn that industry. Know the ins and out of that industry. Learn whatever it takes to get you to the next level. Meet the right people. Network with people to get you to that level. Like I said, I really don't need a planner certificate. The most thing that I need is insurance and to be licensed. But I realized that, okay, well, if I'm going to do this, if this is what my job is, my profession is, I want to master in that. So not only did I become a regular planner, I also went back and get my master in planning because I wanted to know everything there is about this industry. And I also didn't stop there. I wanted to know, yes, I had skills and idea how to make flowers. I could use my business and say, well, okay, well, I can just be a planner and hire a florist. Yes, I do have florists and things that I hire, but I also went ahead and got my certificate in that to make sure. So you don't always have to go to college. For some people, it's great. No matter what business you go, if you go into trade school, learn about it. If you're going to sell hot dogs, learn what it is to make a hot dog. That way, maybe sometime down the line, you can make your own hot dog instead of always having to go through the manufacturer. If you're going to learn how to do a craft, make sure you learn every trick. It's the same thing. A beautician, yes, he might have skills and everything to know how to do hair and know how to do nails, but the thing is, if you don't go, there's certain things that you cannot learn from YouTube. And I hate to say it like that, you know, because like even for now, let me just give you an example. I'm teaching you guys and giving you information, but that's 10 minutes. You cannot learn the in and out of a business in 10 minutes. It's not possible. We will give you the basic tools, we'll give you the basic trades and things that you need to do. But for furthermore, you have to go to. You have to pay to get that information. You have to pay to get that knowledge. Anything that if you invest in your business, if you invest in yourself, it's not so much of money. Like for example, if you invest into your parents, people look at you differently. The way you treat care of yourself, that's how people are going to treat you. So anything that you invest your time into, you're going to be great at it. But if you just think it's just going to come up, people have that notion, oh, they're going to start a business, going to make all these millions. Yes, there's money in there. But where does that leave after that? How do you get to that money? Do you know what that person did in their business to make them to where they are? Stop being envious of people. Stop being critical to, oh, well, this person think they're too good. Yes, if I pay for a knowledge and I know what it is that I know my worth, I'm not just going to accept just anything. So if you don't take anything away from this, is that one, get the tools that you need. Because if you don't know how to manage your business in and out, you're going to fail. I don't care how great that business idea, I don't care how great that knowledge is. If you don't know what a profit or loss statement is, if you don't know how to finance your business, if you don't know where the tools that you need to manage your business, if you don't know how to manage your employee, you don't know how to order stuff. There's a lot of compartment to owning a business than just your skills. Yes, your skills is a valuable asset, but beyond that, what else do you have to show? What else can you say if a client come to you and say, "Oh, what I need is," if you cannot properly articulate or identify what that customer needs are, or properly tell the customer about your service, why would make them buy from you? If you are just stuck in that bubble and not expand your bubble, you will be stuck. So yes, I had my business for a long time, but this was a program that I learned a lot. The second layer, yes, that I walked into that program with a lot of information, but I also took a lot from it. And I know from this there will be growth. There will be things that I learned today that will expand my business to the next level that I needed to. Because you got to understand, I may have 10 plus years, but there's somebody that been in the business for 20 plus years. You cannot compare there. That's what people say. There's You can go to school all you want, but if you don't have that experience, that knowledge what it take to work in the field, that knowledge what it take to the true where you lost and you found your way back, you can never be who you want to be. So I'm very excited today because I can say that I check off another milestone in my book. And I'm big on education. I'm big on learning. I'm big on even every aspect, what I got to do, my anything that got to do with business. I want to know it all. I want to be the next billionaire. And that's my goal. And I'm going to reach that. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Linda Gunno. I am a Master Certified Wedding Planner. You can also register for a class online where I can teach you how to plan your own wedding from start to finish and also other great information about business in general. Um, and also, you can schedule for a free 30-minute consultation what I can talk to you about my services and how we can move forward to help you. Once again, thank you for watching, and you have an amazing night. Thank you. Bye.